The hood is 14 inches tall. You gotta have 30 to 36 inch clearance over the range, and the duct height, the concealing piece is 16 inches. So I figured I can only have 30. I got, I think, 8-foot ceilings, and I need to have, I believe I'm gonna have to do it 31 inches above countertop. And that's going to give me just enough to have this on there, so that's what I'm going to do. My stud is off, like I mentioned before, so I drilled a hole through the metal here, and that's where my screw is going to go into the stud, and then I'll use these two to balance it with my sheetrock screws. So that's the plan anyways. So let's try to hang the hood up here now, shall we? So I took this part off to hang it like that, or to screw my screw in there, and I'm going to need that off anyways, this while I screw that on there. So I'm going to go try to hang it up now.